Hello, I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na still Hope Azinuchi Azeru Oziri. Today, we go talk about you and the police. Na very long topic, the rope long well. We go dey talk am small dey go. Today, we wan talk about arrest. You know say e get one thing wey dey so common with Nigerian police wey be say if dem dey find Emeka, if dem no see Emeka, dem carry Odogwu. The law dey against am. The law dey against am. Wetin law talk be say if I commit crime, police come find me for house, if police no see me, dem no get any right to arrest my husband, hold my husband till when dem go see me. Law dey against am. Section 7 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015 talk say make law enforcement agencies no arrest anybody in place of another person. E dey against the law. E dey against the law. If Emeka commit offence, dem no get any right to arrest Ovunda because say dem come, dem no see Emeka, or say Ovunda commit offence, as dem no see Ovunda, dem arrest Ovunda mama or Ovunda papa. Law dey against am. E dey very wrong. And you wey be citizen, you wey be common man, if police arrest you like that, the problem wey we dey get with police be say people no dey gree fight for their right. We too dey look money eye. If police arrest you where be say you no do anything, then that is dem come arrest another person, as dem see you for house dem come arrest you, you no need to negotiate with them. You no need to negotiate with them. Wetin you need to do na to fight for your right. Na so e suppose be. If everybody begin fight for their right, certain things no go dey happen. Thank you.